Just a year ahead of the 2014 general elections, Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is all set for a huge rally in Delhi scheduled today, and more than 40,000 JDU supporters are expected to attend the Adhikar rally of the Bihar Chief Minister in Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan. They are now demanding a special category status for Bihar.
He's all set to storm the capital with a massive show of strength, demanding special category status for Bihar. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is ready to take his second Adhikar rally, this time on the streets of New Delhi, with more than 40,000 JDU activists expected to join the rally.
सब लोगों के मन में एक उत्साह है कि नहीं साहब, विशेष राज्य का दर्जा बिहार को मिलता है, उससे बिहार की स्थिति जो है बदलेगी, बिहारियों की स्थिति बदलेगी। इसलिए सब लोग जो है उत्साह के साथ कल आएंगे और हमको लगता है कि दिल्ली के लोग कल वाली रैली को बहुत दिनों तक याद रखेंगे।
Nitish Kumar's show of strength is bound to increase the pressure on the UPA government.
ये शक्ति प्रदर्शन नहीं है, अधिकार रैली है। लोगों ने संकल्प प्रकट किया कि हम इस लड़ाई को जारी रखेंगे, व्यक्तिगत रूप से और सामूहिक रूप से।
While the JDU is an ally of the BJP, the finance minister's promise to consider a special status for Bihar in his budget speech was seen by many as UPA's move to woo Nitish's party.
I propose to evolve new criteria and reflect them in future planning and devolution of funds.
But the JDU is refusing to let go of any opportunity to up the ante before the government takes its final call.
बंटवारा था तब सरकार में लोगों ने कहा था कि बंटवारे के बाद शेष बिहार का हम भरपाई करेंगे। भारत सरकार की तरफ से कोई विशेष मदद नहीं मिली।
If the government does decide to approve Nitish's demand, will it be seen as a purely political move ahead of 2014?
Nitish Kumar's Adhikar rally in the national capital is bound to increase the pressure on the centre to act on the demand for special status for Bihar. However, with the centre already having made its stand clear, the big question is whether there is a larger political message being sent out from this rally and whether this could mark changing political equations with either the Congress or the BJP. Madhav Das Balakrishnan in New Delhi for Times Now.